grandmas have a lifetime's worth of advice to offer, and that includes for vacations. Bustle gathered the experiences of 9 grandmothers, all with grandchildren in the travel and lifestyle industries, to ask for their must-see destinations before age 30. Pack your bags! Start in Mykonos, Greece, where the super Instagrammable views are matched only by the nightlife, which the grandma of Girl with the Passport founder says is best enjoyed in your 20s. While in Europe, hop over to Lanzarote, Spain, an overlooked member of the Canary Islands, famous for its lava-strewn landscapes. Tuscany and Calabria in Italy both garnered recommendations. Both locations are obviously gorgeous, but can you blame grandmas for making sure you go somewhere they'll feed you right? Yellowstone made the list too, thanks to one grandma's story of a bear eating her camp's food, making for an unforgettable memory. Easter Island's exotic vibes made the cut, as did the quaintness of Quebec City, which offers a cheap alternative for young travelers who want European feel without European prices. And 2 grandmas picked small towns in Texas and Ohio because everyone in their 20s should visit their family roots. Now, if grandma could just slip a $20 bill to help cover some of the Airbnb expenses, we're ready to hit the road.